Alright everyone, good afternoon. Welcome to a brief tutorial on how to upload your SBA grades and information to the ORS portal. First instruction is to log into your account, of course, using your username, your user ID that is, and your password. Once you've done that, you'll see this window pop up. You're going to go to the SBA toggle and you're going to then select SBA data capture. Once you've done that, it's going to take you to the cxc.org home landing page and you're going to select the SBA assignment type. Once you've done that, this will come up asking you for your center. Now there's an already filled in option for you. When you select the Heinz Minute School Center number, then it's going to pop up your teacher. Of course, you're logged into your own account, so you'll only see your email, your only teacher name. And then of course the subjects, if you teach multiple now, for example if you teach biology and math, you'd want to do one first. So you're going to select that subject firstly and then do the uploading for that subject. Alright, and options, if your subject comes with options now, for example my subject has 4 options, you must select the correct option, because if you don't, you won't see the students that are under that option. You'd only see it for example mine, which is under computer assisted. Alright, now 2 subjects I think offer group SBA rather, and the rest offer individual SBA. You must know which your category lies in. Mine lies in the individual SBA, so that means each student must submit an original copy of the mandated SBA. So I'm going to set the individual SBA, and once that's done, it's going to load up another landing page for me to show all the students that are doing CSEC exam for me. Alright, it's going to show the number of groups. Each student is going to be assigned in your own individual group. Alright, and once that's done, you're going to scroll down to the page. You're going to see where it says export to Excel. Now you're going to click this, and here's why. You can fill in the information on this page, but it's better for you to download the Excel file first, then fill it in, and then you're going to upload it back onto the home landing page. Paste in or place in your marks to upload to the portal. You're going to fill in your grades, right? And each student must be ranked in the class. So for example, if your top student is going to be the one you say ranked first, you must indicate that, right? And the rank must be between the first and the last amount of students. If you have 13 students, each student must be ranked between 1 and 13. Because I have 4 students, each student must be ranked between 1 and 4. So follow the same. Okay? Now, each section under the SBA is graded. So for example, there's 3 sections under my subject: the P1 score, the P2 score, and the P3 score. So I must include those grades in these 3 sections. The sections that you should not include grades in though is going to be the gray areas, where you see P4 score and P5 score that has a gray area. Because my SBA doesn't have 5 components, it only has 3, I don't need to fill in any grades there. It won't affect the actual total score. Okay? Once you fill in your grades, you should see another document, or you should see automatically that your grades begin to go to the total. So if one person got 1 mark for their P1 score, you're going to see 1 arise for their total score over here. Let me just quickly do that for you. Let's press enter there. So if they got 1 mark for their P1 score, 1 mark for their P2 score, their total is 2. Alright, you must keep in mind the mark scheme, because the P2 score is marked out of 15 for me. So the P1 score is marked out of 15, the P2 score is marked out of 34, and the P3 score is marked out of 71, totaling to 120 for me. Alright, each SBA is marked on a different agenda, so you must pay keen attention to that. Alright, once you've uploaded all your grades, you must include now finally the estimated rank, as I said, and then the estimated grade. So if you know that student has been punctual, their behavior is in the right accord, and they've been they've done well in your subject, you must indicate what grade you estimate them to get, whether it's a 1, a 2, all the way down to an ungraded. Okay? Once you've done that for all of them, you are now prepared to upload back this Excel. Now, once I've inputted my grades, then I can continue now and just press save. So I didn't use the export to Excel function, but it is capable of doing that. Alright, so you have 2 choices: whether you manually input the grades on the portal itself, or you upload an Excel file.